Hello everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree watercolor challenge. I am in Dollar Tree. I'm getting some watercolor supplies. I'm getting these stencil wheels. As you can see, they're pretty good. One of them is love in different patterns, and another is quotes. So I'm getting two of them. I'm also getting some boxes to save my watercolors and also some watercolor paint sets. I found most of them are acrylic, so I got two watercolor set from here. So one of them is tempera watercolor. Tempera watercolor has only 5 colors, so I thought let me get another watercolor set. So there is only another watercolor set which I found here, which has many different colors available, but I found they're not that much good quality. So here I came home and I'm opening my watercolor supplies. So this is the stencil squares wheels, and I got two of them. One of them has different coats and another one has different patterns of love. I also got some other supplies, suppose this palette to put the watercolors in them, and then this is the another watercolor set I got, tempera watercolor, and I got these boxes to save my watercolors. So that's all I got for today, and I am going to speed up this section as I am opening my watercolor supplies and getting ready to paint. Here I'm setting up with one of the stencil wheel, which is called love, is the same as having wings, and I like that code very much. I wanted to try it on. So I wanted to use my set of 5 watercolor. I found they are more thicker than the other one, so I like how love turned out. So I want to try all the colors that's in this set to see how much pigmented they are. Next I am going to try the blue, and then yellow, and then black. I think blue is less pigmented than red, and I'm applying a lot of colors here, but it's still there are barely any pigment in them. I'm putting my water aside because my cat is drinking from it, and now he's trying to eat the watercolors. He doesn't listen. I found the black is better pigmented. So overall I am liking this watercolor set, because it's very cheap, $1.25 from Dollar Tree, and you can, yeah, you can do a basic painting with it. So I just did Love is the Same as Having Wings. I like how it turned out so far. Now I also want to try on the other stencil wheel and the other watercolor set. Watercolor set has 10 different colors, so I want to try them on, and I want to see how pigmented they are. And I also want to use the other stencil wheel, the Love, with different patterns on them. So I'm going to try 2 of them in this page. Even though there is a lot of colors in this set, but they are very less pigmented. I was trying the yellow, the barely no color is coming. Then I decided to try on some other colors such as red and oranges, and then I finally give up and just tried only red. I'm trying on another stencil wheel of different pattern of love here, and I decided to try on different colors instead of just one color. So every single block I'm putting a different color in, but I found it's very hard to bring the colors out of this watercolor set. I had to press my brush a lot on that set, and then I finally could get some color out. So it has very less pigments in them. Overall, I'm happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching my painting, and thanks for watching this challenge, and make sure you like and subscribe my channel so that I get encouraged to make more videos. Thank you.